In this video, we propose that formal artistic training would benefit if it took cues from a grassroots movement.
Okay, and go.
Established in 1808, the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich, Germany offers the following programs: painting, sculpture, new media, jewelry, stage design, art and education, art therapy, interior design, and art and architecture. Our studies are organized according to the traditional masterclass system without a foundation class. Applicants must choose their artist professors before being accepted to the Art Academy and are recommended to remain in this class.
From within this institution, we have considered alternative paths towards professionalization within the field of art and have come across the Système de Grands from Cameroon. This improvised, informal approach towards training artists emerged as a grassroots movement in the 1980s and relies on kinship metaphors. Could the Système de Grands perhaps serve as a source of inspiration for the long-established Academy of Fine Arts in Munich?
What if our dependency on one professor and her opinion would be replaced by a variety of different perspectives?
What if the Art Academy's building was open 24/7 and we were able to use this space for spontaneous exhibitions and gatherings?
What if we did workshops with non-academics? Could opening our workspaces at the Academy strengthen connections between those working within the institution and the broader community outside its walls?
What if each of us had a tutor in our final year, an artist who took up the practice a few years earlier? Could this help ease the transition from the school's bubble into the art world at large?
And go.
Isn't it about time that art academies recognize the precarity of visual artists' lives and confront this reality?
What if we were regularly invited to the studios of our artist professors and established artists to get in touch with each other's studio practice?
How would it impact our studies if we spent more time creating art together with our professors instead of just discussing art with them?
What if we were able to follow our actual passions and interests in our studies of art rather than running after credit points?
How would it feel if our professors addressed us as petite sœur or petite frère? What if we addressed our professors as grand sœur or grand frère?
What could we learn from artist professors versed in non-Western concepts of art?